Comrades and friends, how are you? I hope this message finds all of you well. There's a question that I would like to ask the President, Mr. Mnangagwa, and I hope this video reaches him wherever he is. One thing that we both of us can agree to, it can allude to, is that the party presently is divided because of the 2030 issues. Number one, we've got people who've been seen countless times at Precap Farm. And these people, when they're on the ground looking for support, campaigning for the 2030 agenda, they're saying that it's something which is coming from you, directives which they have been given while it's at Precap Farm. In the history before, questions have been asked directly to you, asking whether you were leading a faction by the name Lacoste, and you plainly denied. Something which we feel journalists did again yesterday. And you clearly denied and said that you don't wish to continue anytime after your term to 2030. And we've got people who are very, very much close to you. These people do not have much of a strong relationship than the one which you and General Chivhayo have. General Chivhayo is a member of the Presidium. You are also a member of the Presidium, and both of you hold big positions in the party. And we've got people on the contrary who are very, very close to you with very, very small positions under your administration, and daily they attack the Vice President, General Chivhayo. And you haven't taken any action to deal with this issue decisively. My question is, why have you been quiet for a long time? Considering what you have always said, that you and General Chivhayo are one. The blood that flows in your veins is the same blood that flows in his veins. When will you stand up for your brother and put people like Comrade Garwe, Muda, and others like Masimirembra in their rightful place so that they can respect war veterans and let the spirit of continuity and constitutionalism have its course within the party? Because right now the party is divided. And instead of focusing on bread and butter issues, things which will take our country forward towards a development trajectory, are not happening. So I feel you need to be a bit more honest and deal with these issues decisively and put this issue to rest once and for all, because only you have the power to do so. Because honestly, Baba Mukataura uti, izizwe 2030 andisikuda kuzvinzwa. Iwe Garwe nyarara, iwe Masimirembra nyarara, iwe Muda nyarara, musataura zvamuri kuita. Respect General Chivhayo wamune muchicriticize every day. I am sure we'll revert back to the proper slogan of the party, and the party will have a smooth flow. Thank you so much. It will be good if I can get a reply. Thank you so much.